You can find a lot of these types of channels on YouTube, all with very good incomes. You can work in any niche you want to make videos like these and earn a lot of money, and of course it doesn't matter if you don't have an idea for a video. If you are watching this video, it means that you have a script and you want to turn it into a video using AI Video Maker. Look at this channel. Do you see the videos? The income of this channel is great. Look. We'll imagine you haven't scripted, therefore the first step is to upload your written content to the platform from this part and let Pictory do its magic. To get started, first let's head to the Pictory site and sign up for a new account. Choosing a title for your video is required here, however, you can modify it after the fact. For instance, I pasted my script in here, separating the lines. Now you can adjust the scene setting by selecting any option you choose. Select your desired style and template by pressing here to continue after I have precisely these options. As you can see, each of these templates has a distinctive style. Pick one based on your preferences in this part to produce the ideal video for your purposes using Pictory's vast variety of possibilities. Choose this if you want to create a quick video, select this if you want to create a longer video, and finally select the Continue button. Well, here's a movie that will do it for you. You can watch this video while you wait for the desired page to load. If you click on any part of the script, you will view the video associated with that sentence. This particular video is exclusive to your script, but if you ever wish to alter it, you can do so by clicking here. You can select the best video or photo based on your preferences after viewing similar videos and photos based on the text you entered. You can also change the font, color, and size of any text you see here. Music can be one of the most important aspects of some types of videos. You may access a big music library at Pictory. Additionally, you can quickly add voiceover to your video by selecting one of these sounds and applying it. However, if you prefer to add your own music or voice, you can do so here as well. Each of these sections has its own settings, which you can quickly adjust to suit your preferences. Once you're satisfied with the script and style, it's time to relax and wait for the rest to be completed. In a matter of minutes, you'll have the rest of the video ready. Now, are you ready to take your videos to the next level and make them even more exciting for your viewers? Well, let me share a little secret with you. The power of VO Pictory is like having your own personal assistant on set but without having to pay them or deal with their endless demands for coffee. And the best part is you don't have to be a tech genius to use it. Introducing a super powerful AI technology that can generate voiceovers in any tone or style that you desire, resulting in a truly captivating video that will leave your audience wanting more. So why wait? Let's create something extraordinary together. Well, say hello to Murph, the ultimate solution to all your voiceover needs. To get started, visit the Murph website and sign up. Following registration, you can begin modifying your voiceover in accordance with your individual tastes and preferences. Creating a new project is the first thing you must do. You may give it any name you like and choose this option. When you log in, you will see this main dashboard. Now, let's add some content to this AI. You can upload your own text file or just copy it. I like the copy-paste approach. I previously copied my text and have now pasted it here. Okay, as you can see, each sentence can be in a single line with the press of the Enter key on your keyboard, but it is preferable to divide the sentences. Let's pick this avatar to browse the voices now, where you must select the kind of voices you want for your videos. As you can see, Murph provides a range of voices, including realistic human voices, robotic, and even cartoon voices. Here, you must select your preferred voice or language, depending on whether you prefer a man or a woman, a serious and professional tone, or a funny and entertaining tone. Murph has you covered, for instance, and here's the best part, you can even change the timing and emphasis of your voiceover to ensure that it precisely matches the tone, speed, and pitch of your video. One exciting feature of Murf is the ability to have conversations between multiple voices at once. For instance, here I've added a new block with a new sentence. I can now easily select another voice to say this sentence. Once the settings are complete, it's time to generate and download the voices. You can click on this option to generate each voice individually, or you can click this play button to generate it all at once. Once the button turns black, you can listen to the generated voices. That's all. Working with Murf is fun and simple. Why then are you waiting? To observe the impact on your films, try it out on your own by creating an account. Now let's think about a different scenario. Perhaps you don't have a script for your video, but don't worry, you can now use ChatGPT to get aid from a strong AI tool in these scenarios. Let's head over there. To utilize this artificial intelligence, you must first register an account. After you do so, you can use it without difficulty. But you can also upgrade to the +1 that is displayed above, and it is up to you to decide which one you want right now. Okay, so first things first, you'll need to choose a theme for your movie. This can be anything that interests you, such as food, fitness, or travel. Once you've decided on a topic, it's time to start coming up with ideas. By entering your topic into the chatbot and letting it produce some prompts for you, you can utilize ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas for your video. For instance, if your topic is motivation, give me 5 YouTube topic suggestions on motivation chat. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to start writing your script. Choose one of the suggestions because we need an introduction for this topic, how to stay motivated when facing obstacles. Of course, you can ask for more ideas as well. Advice and tactics. You should add an introduction that piques the interest of your viewers and provides them with a reason to continue watching. If you read it, it is truly great and precisely what I needed. We must now use the main script. You can see how this portion of the beginning to the YouTube video, which is 500 words long, was requested. When writing your script, keep in mind that your video should be interesting and educational. You want to educate your viewers while also keeping them entertained. If you run out of ideas or need some inspiration, you can always turn to ChatGPT for assistance. Simply enter a question or prompt into the chatbot, and it will produce an answer based on its extensive knowledge base. And there you have it. With the aid of chatgpt, you can quickly come up with a theme and write a screenplay for your video. As we mentioned in the video, you can then upload your script to Pictory to produce the movie you want, and if you need voiceovers, you can use the website. To demonstrate the outcome, I ultimately created this 60-second film utilizing the artificial intelligence techniques I discuss in this video. One of the finest ways to have a personal job is to pay close attention to this if you are weary of the typical 9-to-5 grind. If you're interested in watching more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is released. You may also turn on the notification bell if you don't have any unique talents and want to work from anywhere in the world. You can also use your own best taste to build it. If you like the video, please click the like button. It only takes a moment.